Well, Bradley Manning leaked military secrets
and classified documents that put him into jail for 35 years. But people also said that he was helping people,
and that was his intentions, to help people, and he was nominated 3 times for Nobel Peace Prizes. So he has both hero qualities and villain qualities,
depending on how you look at it.
We're going to look at Dennis Rodman's interaction with North Korea. Let's do this first before we even go ahead. What does anybody know about North Korea?
They tried to blow us up with a missile.
They don't like us, right? So they've said that they would like to blow us up, right? They said that they'd like to blow us up. So the leader there does not like America.
Their largest nuke would only their largest nuke, if it was launched at the Empire State Building, would only have a radius of Central Park.
So that's for you to decide now. You're the truth seeker here. You get to decide. So you get to decide, is that guy good for doing it, or is he bad? All right. So you got a document, make sure you document.
We got a sign from his team to look at The Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh, and we were told the 4 things: describe it, analyze, interpret, and judge it. So the first things we're doing is we're looking at this and describing it to we're describing what we think we're doing. So we described it as being like the Starry Night. It's calm, peaceful. What it looks like to us, it looks like everything's like abstract. So we described it using our own terms and everything. And the next thing we did is analyze it. We analyzed it and how like the elements that were used in it, so patterns and texture of it, like smoothness.
And the repetition in the stars and the texture for like how it looks like it's windy, like it's a windy day.
Like how it made it look windy by doing these smooth, quick strokes, and that was a pattern of using these quick strokes like that. And the next thing we did was interpret it. So interpret it as to what we think it means and what the artist was to like help portray to the viewer. And we thought it was like peaceful and calm because of the smooth strokes that created a calmness to like all of us. So that's what we interpret it as. It's like life is calm. We use the same saying life is like a dream, or life passes like a dream, because it shows the 6 peaceful. So that's what we described it as.
So that means
and then judge it. So then
that looks like a necklace. It's like a necklace.
How the tree is very tree or mountain, we think. We like how it's very dark so that it makes the background more of the emphasis.
So we like that element of that.
I like your side.
I also like how like darker and lighter values are used for the stars. So like you see yellow and white, you see a lot more yellow, and you still see white. So like the same colors are used for.
We thought the artist did a good job at expressing calmness and peacefulness to us. We believe that's what the artist was trying to do, and we thought it was good.
Oh yeah, I got my dread.
So you put villain for Manning, want to put the reason why, just because we got a lot from the other side?
I like your check in the middle.
Which is, we all have our own things. There's no right or wrong answer. So, oh yeah. 3 of them were uniform on, which 2 of them I kind of expected. Silkwood and Malala, that's kind of how things go. But now, think about this. This is our perspectives, and we're distanced from this, and it doesn't directly affect us as much. But do you think there are people who think that they were villains? Malala? Who's somebody who might think that Malala was a villain? Some of the people in the Taliban, all right? Some of the people that don't believe that women should get education? Yeah, so there are. But now, that shows you your value systems here. I mean, I don't think there would be anybody in here who's going to say girls should not get the same education as boys. And so, that makes sense. We all kind of side on that side. It's a good thing that she did this and that she's being active in doing this stuff. Karen Silk with the same thing. She's trying to make nuclear power plants safer. That makes sense to us. We like that. But could there be people who are against that as well? Yeah. Oh yeah. people who support nuclear energy.
There's always somebody who objects to everything.
Yeah. But now, the key thing that we do as truth seekers is we try to figure out if their reasons for being against it is legit. Alright? Is it worthy of our time? Do they have facts, or are they just against it to be against it? And that's one of the things about life we have to figure out. Who are we going to listen to? I remember the first day I said, when are you going to use this stuff? This is those parties you're in. These are the people you're going to meet in college. You're going to hear a ton of different opinions. Now, what opinions are you going to actually listen to and decide, all right, this person actually has some good stuff to say. I might not agree with them, but I'm going to listen to what they have to say.
So to solve a problem, we would look at evidence. We would talk to people, do surveys, see what they think a problem is and what, possible solutions, talk to them, would this work for you? And then we would do a decision matrix here, and this is possible solutions to a problem, and it would be things like ease of making it, cost, that sort of thing, and then, create a possible solution and then see if it works.
X squared minus 3 equals 22 and x equals 5. You plug 5 into x and square it by 2 and minus by 3, which equals 22. Then you take 25 minus 3 equals 22, and they come out equal. X equals 5 is a solution to the equation. X squared minus 3 equals 22 because substituting it into the equation gives the left and right sides of the equation the same value.
Okay, so for number 4, the equation is x squared minus 3 equals 22, and x equals 4. So you plug 4 into the equation, so 4 squared minus 3 equals 22, and 4 squared minus 3 equals 16 minus 3 equals 22, and it comes out 13 is not equal to 22. X equals 4 is not a solution because it does not satisfy the both left and the right side of the equation.